don't tell them everything. How you want me to tell you, say, I don't do you 419. 419 do me.
Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now, sometimes I begin to wonder, these law enforcement agencies, do they not see these politicians who come out openly on national television and say, we rigged the election? Just yesterday, we saw Evens Bipi, who is the former Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, come out and make bold to say that the election in Rivers State was rigged against Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate. And up until now, I have not seen any action from the law enforcement agencies, because he went ahead to confirm what Chijoke Ihunwo said. Chijoke Ihunwo, who is the chairman of the National Youth Council of Nigeria, Rivers State chapter, that came out some time ago to say that he was part of the people that rigged the 2023 general election against Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate. And he said that he was one of those who worked with Nyesom Wike to rig the election. I'd like you to take a look at what Evens Bipi has come out boldly to say. I'll be coming back to wrap up the video. Do want to hit the comment section and drop your thoughts. Let's get to know what you think about the confession of Evens Bipi, and we shall continually be here to serve you.
Last weekend, they went for a Thanksgiving party. Are you hearing me? They went for a Thanksgiving party and was bragging that they wish tomorrow is 2027. With you, can they win 2027? With this crowd I'm seeing, can they win 2027? They were bragging, they wish if tomorrow is 2027. As if they won in 2023. Labour Party won all their... We know how we did it. It happened. Chijoke told us that he's one of them that assisted them. Now they want to tie, was bragging that they wish tomorrow is 2027. We too, we wish tomorrow is 2027, so they will see our performance. So they will see how we could perform. Do you know when the glory had departed from a man, do you know what the man would do? The man will attend burials. He will attend child education. He will attend naming ceremonies. He will attend Thanksgiving. He will attend birthday parties. Now the glory is upon the governor. The glory is upon our... There must not be two leaders. It's always one leader. Former Governor Dele hand over to someone, isn't it? I will mention his name. Farotimi, former governor. Farotimi hand over to another person. That name is not a padlock. When it is a padlock, don't mention that name. That is a padlock.
Okay.
When Amechi hand over to that person, he allowed me to rule, isn't it? 4 plus 4, he did it 8 years, he was happy. And I see those Hyper City, everything, the whole protocol they want to buy and finish. Oh no, see them? They want to buy the whole protocol finish. Protocol at their own. I want to thank honor for this work. We have made them come. They said 2027, they are ready for us. We are also ready for... Are you ready for them? He can only do something in Obiakwa, not Okubolo. He can only do something for Obiakwa, not Asartoro. Not in Okreka. Not in other Ikwere. Even in Obiakwa, you are unit alone. No, yeah. So I tell that madman, making it a brag. He told people, one man was going about telling people that I brought from for everybody. I brought from for everybody. One man, I don't know his name, one man. Ask him, where was his last place of work? As he finished school, where was the last place of... Where do you work last before you become a local government chairman? Tell the people. No, for local government chairman is government money. From government money to government money. So if you use government money to buy tickets for people, is it your money? Why are you telling people that you bought funds for people? Is it your money? My woman, the governor said I should tell you, you have no problem. I will deliver what is sent to me. They communicate our mother, Professor Ms. Konya Redia. I will deliver it to the appropriate quarters. And I must assure you that you will not regret coming out today. You will not regret coming out to support our governor. This is just the beginning. By the time we get to Malachi, they will know where we are. This is just Genesis. By the time we get to Malachi, they will know that there are people. So I want to thank all of you for agreeing to follow the leadership without question, without asking where are we going to. I want to tell you that the leadership will recognize you. In as much as you have your own leadership in every government areas, you must be recognized. You will not regret supporting sin.
You've seen it for yourself. Now, it's obvious that the so-called rigging of election in Nigeria is no more a rumor. Everybody has become comfortable with it because they all know that this is what happens after all. And what is this going to lead to? It's going to be leading to voter apathy, where people will be like, I beg, let them go and do their thing. We're not interested again. We're not interested because we know that whether we go or we do not go, they are going to be doing well to rig the elections. What is this going to do to democracy? It's going to weaken the democracy of the Nigerian state and Africa in general, because obviously we all know that other states in Africa are looking up to Nigeria. But it's unfortunate that our politicians are doing nothing about it because of their selfish interests. I keep saying it severally on different platforms that Nigerians are very resilient and patient people. But do not ever for any means push them to the wall. You can see what is happening in the country right now, where people are protesting. But the politicians will obviously look at it like it's political, just like some of the political class has come out to say that the protest is politically motivated. How funny. When you can see the obvious changes in the economy, rather than come out and proffer solutions that would resolve the issues of the failed economy of Nigeria and Africa, they are going ahead to do the blame game. And just like Femi Falana SAN said in the NLC protest yesterday, that is unfortunate that these leaders go ahead to use the same policies. You see where people are talking about a failed state and hunger in the land. You see the federal government go ahead to go and say, we are sharing money to state governors to give to their people. We are sharing food. Just like I heard yesterday that the Lagos state government said they want to pay mama put for people to go and be eating. How funny. And sometimes I begin to wonder, is it that these guys are intentionally doing these things? Because we know that these guys have used these policies over and over and it's not working. How can you say you want to share cash to Nigeria when you know that the people that are doing these whole processes are going to be using this pattern to loot the economy? Like we saw what happened to Ebeta Edu, the former humanitarian minister, who has said that they shared monies to Nigerians, and at the end of the day, I've not even seen anybody that has received the money. Yesterday, one of Bola Tinubu's ministers also came on air to say that they have implemented over 93% of the agreement they had with Labour. How funny that is. They go ahead to politicize everything on national television and think that that's actually going to bring about the solutions. No, don't politicize this. Even though I know that politics is about a game of interest, you must realize that when you get into office, you must do well to give service to the people. Otherwise, when you leave there, you may not have the opportunity to give the service you should have given to your people, and you would obviously regret it. Please, I'd like you to go to the comment section and drop your thoughts. Let's get to know what you think about the current happenings in the state of Nigeria, and we shall continually be here to serve you.